Yeah, welcome back folks, another video again. The Powerwall is installed. Today I'm here to help a friend of mine. This is him right there. Yeah, real solar man. We install a whole Nissan Leaf battery bank on the wall. That's a Powerwall. Nice work. There's a bracket in the bottom in the battery. You will use it and you screw it on the wall and put all the batteries to it. Okay, 21 kilowatts. All right. We two classic.
Midnight Classic 250.
Two Midnight Classic 250. Two of them. But we're still waiting for the inverter. The inverter they sent us, it was the wrong inverter. We ordered a 5040. They sent us a 24 volts. But it's the same 5,000 watts. We have two switch protector on it. And then 24 panels. 12 on each charge controller. This is the shed over there. That's the shed. We have all the panels on top of it. 24 panels. 24 250 watt solar panels. 12 on each charge controllers. Okay. Stay tuned. There will be another video again pretty soon when we receive the inverter. Bye.